In this video, I'll be showing you how to take your grass from this to this, a nice lush green grass. So this was our grass at the beginning of spring. Now we thatched the lawn in the fall and we are thatching it now as well in the spring, but it was all covered in dog pee burns. So this is the thatcher that I used. I just bought it off of Amazon. We used to do it by hand, but this really automated the process, made it really easy. So the link will be in the description down below. We also then fertilized and overseeded the lawn. We just used the Scott's Turf Builder, the seed, and the fertilizer. We also used a Scott spreader so that we were able to get an even amount of seed and fertilizer all across the lawn. So we did this in the beginning of the spring, and we also did an overseed in the fall. So first thing I did is I scuffed the ground here so you can see the dirt a little bit in these patches, and then we're going to apply the Scott's Easy Seed in those areas. So here's the dirt area here, and here is the mixture from Scott's Easy Seed. So you can see it's got some mulch, some seeds, and some fertilizer in there. It kind of looks like coffee grounds. So we're going to go ahead and grab this. I'm going to put it on into the dirt areas. So here we can see that we've covered it, but you can still see a little bit of the ground. Then when we water this, the mulch is going to expand. So after spraying it with water, it is expanded now and it looks like a nice dirt pile on the grass. So here is the grass after about 2 weeks since we did the thatching, fertilization, and overseeding. And then it's been about a week, maybe not even, since we added the spot treatment, and so you can see there's starting to be some seedlings coming out. So that's looking much better so far. So this is the front yard, about 2 weeks since thatching, overseeding, and fertilizing. And we also did the spot treatment in some spots. You can kind of see it in there, but it's starting to grow through, which is nice. So this is the backyard now about 1 month after we did the treatment. As you can see, most of all the spots are gone and it looks really nice. So this takes a little bit of patience and effort, but it's definitely well worth it. If you have any questions about how to do this process, feel free to post in the comment section down below. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and please subscribe to the channel as we always post new videos for real estate tips, advice, and also real estate home walkthroughs.